Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh's classes, and we were doing NEET question papers as solving solutions were going on. NEET series are going on. So I hope all my aspirants are doing really well and they are learning and they are preparing for their exams. So welcome back aspirants, for all the NEET aspirants rather. So for this series, and this is very interesting series going on from our side, and I hope that you are enjoying it, you are learning from it. So after our video, watching our videos, if you have got some doubt, please contact us in the given number and we will try to help you out as much as possible. Okay, we have got dedicated teams for each and every section. Don't worry, you just have to focus on the paper. Now match the following columns, group of organisms with the respective distinctive characteristics, and select the correct option from the code given below. And this one is not too old. NEET October 2020 paper, just 6 years back. Okay, so this was during a COVID situation. Let's see. Organisms: platyhelminthes, echinoderms, hemichordates, aves. And column 2 is about cylindrical body with no segmentation, warm blooded animals with direct development, bilateral symmetry with incomplete digestive system, radial symmetry with indirect development. Tell me. So you have to know the characteristics of the organisms, right? So let's do one by one. Okay, now talking about platyhelminthes. Tell me. So basically the key feature of platyhelminthes, they are flatworms. They are flatworms, bilateral symmetry, okay, symmetry, okay, and incomplete digestive system because they have got no anus. We have got incomplete digestive system because of no anus. Okay, that we have got. So platyhelminthes can go with bilateral symmetry with incomplete digestive system, this one. Okay, A will be 3, this will be A. So see, we have got over here A3 and we have got the correct answer, the correct option. So see, you can eliminate also. You have to know just one. You have to know just one. See, and how easily we have cracked this one. You might not know about AVs, you might not know about hemichordates, but obviously you will know because you are preparing it. You will have to learn everything while before going or before sitting for the examination, so that we will complete. But it might happen that there are certain questions where you are confused about the options, like will it be this or that, and over here we have got one option correct and it's done. Clear? Talking about option number 2, echinoderms. We know what will echinoderm will link up with. We know from from options, but let's learn it. Okay. Echinoderms means starfish, like starfish, sea urchin, okay, and they have got radial symmetry like adult, radial. Sorry. And indirect development, that is larval stage. Okay, so echinoderm will go with radial symmetry with indirect development, so B. Clear? Okay. Next is hemichordate. Worm like marine animals. Okay. Because cylindrical or unsegmented body. So it's hemichordates. Number 1. So it will be C. Okay, C will be number 1, cylindrical body with no segmentation. And last is aves. Key feature, birds, of course, birds, and warm blooded, that is endothermic. And its direct development. So basically we have got all the options. We have done all the options. Now for platyhelminthes, you can remember no anus is a thing. For echinoderms, you can remember radial or large larval stage. For hemichordates, you can remember simple worm-like, and for aves, you can remember endothermic, and nothing more to remember over here. This was that level easy. Okay. So we have picked up these questions from NEET paper. So see, you have to just, it's not easy. Actually, we all know it's not easy. Cracking NEET is not easy. So you have to clear that paper. That rank has to be there in you. So biology paper, for biology paper, I'm saying only. So biology paper, please, you have to remember these things. You have got no options to clear NEET. Okay. Chalo, we have done this one. Let's focus on to our next question. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.